guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Andrew, and today I'm going to be opening 3 more packs of the Disney minifigure series 2 blind bags. So if you haven't seen my part 1 and part 2, go check out that right now before you watch this one. So yeah, and today I'm going to be opening up 3. So I have 3, and I have worked to open them. My scissor method didn't really work well last time, so I'm going to see if a 4th works. But yeah, let's get right into it. So this is pack 1. Ooh, it is a Frozen. Yes. So here are his pants. There are 2 colors. And we have his torso, face, nice printed face. And it actually comes with 2 base plates. So you put this right there, then you just stick on. It's 1 base plate, then I heard it shoots this thing. Pretty cool. Oh, I'll get that later. So yeah, it comes with 2 of these, so you can just shoot them. So yeah, here's Frozen. This one. Next pack. Let's see what we get. Oh, I got Dale! Oh, nice. On my last video, I got Chip, so now I have Dale. Oh, it's a pretty nice build. Pretty much same as Chip. And I love this acorn little build. It's like this thing you would probably find in Harry Potter mini packs. It's the little thing that Oliver had, and you just have like this, one of these pieces from Lego Friends to hold maybe like their head accessories. So yeah, that's it for Dale. Last and final pack. Got another steamboat Willie. So, I got another steamboat Willie. Really happy. Because steamboat Willie, I love the build. Oh, and also I forgot to mention for Chip, he also comes with another one of these. If you're one of those feeling guys out there. This is probably going to go to my friend Logan. Because I already have him. So yeah, that's it. These are the figures I got in total. We've got Steamboat Willie. I'll put it in order. Steamboat Willie. And Chip. So yeah, that's it. Alright, this is the end of this video. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button and comment down below if you want to see a part 4. So also subscribe and comment down below if you want to see part 4 and hit your notifications down below. So yeah, bye, see you in my next video.